If you've been trying to decide between Google Calendar and Notion Calendar, this video will make the choice a lot easier. We're going to break down the key differences, look at the strengths of each app, and help you figure out which one is better for your workflow. And if you find this useful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Let's start with Google Calendar. Google Calendar is one of the most established calendar apps available, and it's especially powerful if you want a full-featured standalone calendar. It gives you strong support for recurring events, reminders, calendar sharing, event invitations, multiple calendars, time zones, and Google Workspace features. It also connects smoothly with Google Meet and Gmail, which makes it a very natural choice for anyone already using Google's ecosystem. One of the biggest advantages of Google Calendar is collaboration. If you work with a team, manage multiple schedules, or need to share availability with clients, Google Calendar makes that process simple. You can create events, invite attendees, share calendars, and manage different work or personal calendars all in one place. It's built for organization at scale, which is why it remains so popular for individuals, teams, and businesses. Google Calendar is also excellent for reminders and recurring scheduling. If you have weekly meetings, monthly deadlines, or regular routines, it handles those very well. You can set repeating events, add notifications, and make sure important tasks never slip through the cracks. If your main goal is dependable scheduling and calendar management, Google Calendar is a very strong option. Now let's look at Notion Calendar. Notion Calendar has a more modern interface and is designed for people who want their schedule connected directly to their work. Instead of treating the calendar as a separate tool, it brings your calendar closer to your Notion pages, databases, projects, tasks, and notes. That makes it especially useful for people who already use Notion to plan their life or manage their work. Notion Calendar also supports multiple calendar accounts, scheduling links, time zone support, availability sharing, and meeting details. But where it really stands out is in how naturally it fits into a productivity system built around Notion. If you use Notion for project planning, content calendars, task management, or note-taking, being able to view and manage your schedule in the same ecosystem can save a lot of time. So which one is better? The answer depends on how you work. If you want the more comprehensive standalone calendar, Google Calendar is usually the better choice. It's stronger for sharing, reminders, collaboration, event management, and integration with Google services. It's also a great fit for organizations already using Google Workspace. On the other hand, if your workflow lives inside Notion, then Notion Calendar may be the smarter choice. It's better for connecting your schedule with your notes, tasks, databases, and projects. For users who want one connected productivity system, Notion Calendar can feel more modern and more integrated. A simple way to think about it is this: Google Calendar is better for pure calendar power, while Notion Calendar is better for workspace connection and productivity planning. If you need a dedicated calendar with robust scheduling features, go with Google Calendar. If you want your calendar to work hand in hand with Notion, choose Notion Calendar. If I had to summarize it in one sentence, Google Calendar is the more complete all-around calendar app, while Notion Calendar is the better choice for Notion users who want their schedule tied directly to their projects and tasks. I hope this comparison helped you understand the difference between Google Calendar and Notion Calendar. If it did, please like this video and subscribe for more clear software comparisons and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.